we have a new meat grinder. Very easy to use, very easy to operate. It's small indeed. As you can see, this is my large hand. It's just as big as my hand going up in diameter. And going across is just a hand and a few fingers. Very simple to operate. When you plug it in, it always stays lit in the blue. It's going to give you audible beeps on the way it works. So you simply turn it on, single beep. It has like a high pitched sound, which is quite the norm. This is loose, not super tight, just tight enough that it holds. And all you gotta do is just put the meat in. If the meat doesn't slide down, you give it a little help. And then you just continue to feed it and give it a little push. As you can see, the meat's going in by itself. It comes out by itself. Goes about 4 pounds per minute, they say. 3.5 pounds on the one we have in. There's no need to do this any further. You simply take the top off. Are we making any more? And you clean up. This is the release mechanism to take the whole unit off. And this is the release mechanism to take the insides out to get the rest of the meat out. Now, do not put any of this into the dishwasher. Nothing. This is not dishwasher safe at all. This can be washed in the dishwasher, but that's going to get hand washed. And please, when you put this on, you always want to make sure the flat edge is forward, the round edge is in the back. Hand wash everything. And that is it. You have everything done. Lift up, take out, clean up. Here's a little secret, a little hint. Cellophane before you make your patty in the patty maker. This way you put the meat in, the amount you like for your patty. If it's a 1/4 pounder, 1/2 pounder, 1 pounder. You're then going to take the patty maker and make your patty. It comes out a lot easier than trying to take it out of the unit itself. You have to oil it and it will fall out easy as well. This is the easiest way to make it and prepare it for the near future. As we prepare the next one.
Beautiful chicken burgers. Beautiful.
I hope you enjoy your Natestin meat grinder. If this product is something you're looking for your kitchen household. This wasn't made special for our kitchen, but blue fits perfect.